Greetings, viewers. This is Michael Wright in Norman, Oklahoma. If you hear some sounds such as static, that's not static, it's the wind blowing up against the microphone. I'm in a neighborhood here in Norman populated mostly by working class and low-income elderly, and a couple of blocks away there is a loud entertainment noise event in progress outdoors on a stage in a park. This is called the Groove Fest, and it's sponsored by Amnesty International. This organization doesn't seem to mind blasting noise into the homes of people who might not want to hear it. But ironically, at the international level, they have protested noise torture in such places as Guantanamo and Iraq. Norman is the home of the University of Oklahoma. It's a very pretentious community. The elites which dominate the community think that they are progressive and enlightened, and that they are uplifting the rest of us by sponsoring these loud noise events. In fact, a couple of years ago, an organizer of this event received the Humanitarian Award from the Norman Human Rights Commission. Viewers, I invite you to see my links in the associated text. Be sure to see the one about Amnesty International protesting noise torture. This is Michael Wright in Norman, Oklahoma, signing off.